Oh no. Oh God. Oh God. Oh man. Oh. 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 Oh my finger. Oh my finger. Oh. Okay. Hold up. You see what I was going through? There's a pause button. There's a pause button for a reason. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So, you know something I noticed or I've learned with my little month of 3D printing? 99% of the problems is my fault. It's user error, baby. I did something wrong. Now I got to figure out what I did wrong. Do I want to let this keep going? It already failed a couple times, but I'm going to let it keep going. Let me show you how I fix this situation. It is probably the wrong way. Okay, yeah. So when you have a situation like that, what do you do? A couple weeks ago, I would have trashed the whole thing. You know, like, oh man, stringiness is messed up. Break everything off the plate, wash it. That's pet G. So I'll use the glue stick. I'm gonna have to get some kind of other stuff, but that's not what I do now. I'm like, let me press pause and then go into my bag of tricks. We need a knife. That's not a knife. In fact, instead of a knife, we need snips. Do we have snips somewhere? Ah, there we go. These are little things you might need. I'll go over some of these extra things you might want to get when you get your 3D printer. A snip, snippity, snip. Let's go, baby. A snip, snippity, snip. Okay, honestly, I am clowning a little bit more than I normally would just to make this slightly entertaining. But you see, what happened was this was going fine, but this part came off, and then now it's just printing into the air. And some of that stuff that was printed into the air ended up coming over on this side and getting fused to a part that that part was going fine. So hold up. So I'm gonna come in here and everywhere this stringy, I'm gonna snip it off. Now, there we go. Now all I gotta do is worry about that filament that's been sitting in that nozzle this whole time I've been doing this. It's gonna be blobby. Hopefully it gets cleaned off pretty good. Let's see what happens. Right now it's moving too slow. We're gonna take this from silent mode to Luda. Oh, that wasn't Luda. It's hard to do this looking through the phone, but anyway, ludicrous mode. There you go. Yeah. This only like 200 millimeters a second or something. But this is Creality's Pet G filament. Ooh, that's CR stands for Creality. So yeah, this is just regular Pet G by Creality. I wanted to get past that, to get over here so I can see what's going on. Again, my problem came because I didn't use a brim. This thing didn't need supports, but it did need a brim just in case the print head knocks something. You know what I mean? Sound like a video game, don't it? Come on over here. I want y'all to see what happens when it gets to the blank spot. Oh God. While it's doing that, what I think would be neat, you see how you can see everything on here? I think it would be neat if I could take, wait a minute. It is, oh no, it's still on there. If you could just like push a part that messes up and edit the G code like that to where it would skip past that part. Over here, everything's going perfectly. What kind of speeds we doing? See, this over here is going perfect. And when stuff's going perfect, what do I want to do? Start messing with stuff. So we doing balanced and everything is going perfect. Let's put it on ludicrous. See if it messes up. This translucent stuff, it's supposed to be able to go as fast as I want it to. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it ain't that fast. Oh, that ain't nothing. 160 millimeters a second. Yeah, that's snail pace for real, compared to what I be doing. So, we still ain't. Still waiting. Oh, you know what? I could be doing this. All right, we'll come back. I'm going to just tell y'all what happened then. And I can tell over here, everything is all good because there's no stringiness, no weird stuff going on. Oh, that's a support. I am going, hold up. I put it back on balance before I mess up. Hold up. There it is. Just out into the earth, just stringiness. This is the part where I really got to pay attention. because I don't want it to drag that string all across the rest of the thing. Because if it does that a couple times, it's gonna end up pulling the other parts off of here. You know what I'm saying? Whenever it finishes that part, I wanna try to catch it and grab it after it moves out the way. I'm gonna try not to. Oh no, it stayed there this time. That's pretty cool. See, now that it stayed there like that, I can just grab it once it moves. Yeah, like that. Got him. Bam, and there we go. There we go. So there you go. Adventures in 3D printing. I felt like back in the day when the homegirls would be playing Double Dutch, like. But anyway, let me know if you like this kind of content where I'm just walking around with the phone doing stuff in real time or whatever. If so, I'll do more of it. 'Cause like I said, I took over my dining room and all that. So if I'm in here, might as well have some content. All right. Peace and power.